I know you guys want to see this monster. And it's big, it's heavy, it's ball bearing. I like it, it's awesome. Let me show you the difference between the stock twin and this big single. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another vlog. Today is going to be a super short video. I'm not going to work on the car today. I am going to show you guys some of the parts I have been ordering. You can see it's late, so that's why it's going to be, a little quick. But as you guys know, I am going single turbo on the 2Jz swap into the 240. So I decided to order a Cxracing kit. Now the Cxracing kit came with a lot of the parts that I need. I didn't opt in for the radiator because I want to go with the Chase Bay's radiator. They're a little bit thicker and it does keep the car cooler, because these cars with the swap do have a bit of heating issues and cooling issues. So let me show you the Cxracing kit. Alright, so here we go. You can see over here I got the clamps. Here's the oil line and all the fittings for the turbo that came with it. Here's part of the exhaust. You can see here's the downpipe. It's real nice, the stainless. Like, it's stainless steel, it's pretty thick. It comes with the O2 for the O2 sensor and the AFR sensors. It comes with the brackets that are needed. I mean, this kit is pretty complete. These are all pipes. Here's for the blow-off valve, the mass airflow sensor. These are aluminum. You know how aluminum's good, to dissipate heat and stuff like that. And then over here we got all the couplings, some smaller piping that's needed. Over there I got some gaskets for this beautiful manifold. It's pretty heavy, so I was feeling it, playing with it, and it's pretty good quality. I mean, for the price, like I'm really liking it. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing, these edges are nice and smooth. I don't have to clean them up or anything. It's awesome. So this kit also came with the air filter, the beautiful intercooler that is nice and thick. I think this will suffice for the power that this can handle. They say that the turbo is good for 600 horses, which is my power goal. So as we move over here, you can see over here the blow-off valve, nice color. The pipe over there is ready to connect this, so I don't have to weld or drill any holes. Comes with a vacuum line, the gaskets needed, and here's the wastegate. It's heavy, feels like it's good quality. I'm really liking this. This kit is looking really good, and there's all the bolts in here. And for the part that you guys have been waiting for, the biggest part of this beautiful kit is the turbo. I know you guys want to see this monster. And it's big, it's heavy, it's ball bearing. I like it, it's awesome. Let me show you the difference between the stock twin and this big single. Look at it. Look at this thing. Here's, I move it, it's so heavy. Look at that difference. Stock twin, big single. This thing is pretty good quality, spins super easy. I did get the ball bearing, paid up a little bit more for it. Totally worth it, I think. So it can spool at a lower RPM. And you can see the twin, the stock twin did have a little bit of shaft play. It doesn't spin that good, but I can't even spin it. It definitely needed to be replaced, 100%. I don't know if you guys watched our previous video. If you didn't, click right up there, and that way you can see how much oil this thing had. But yeah, this is the big, beautiful single. Hope you guys like it. It's great. And here is some more parts. Here's the fueling. I got a -8 feed and a -6 return. I got an aeromotive fuel pressure regulator with the right size and everything. And here is the heat wrap for the downpipe, so that way it's not so hot. Here's some DEI gold reflective tape. This I am going to use to wrap the firewall. That way it can reflect the heat back towards the engine bay and not into the cabin. Here's like a 2-inch tape. This I can use to wrap like inlets and stuff like that, and smaller places. Here, this is a turbo blankie. It's a blankie to keep the turbo nice and warm. And nice and cool. So yeah, those are the parts I've been ordering. This will definitely help push this build forward. I do have more parts I am waiting for. I already ordered it, such as like the new oil pump for the 2JZ, the motor mounts for the 2J, all the new gaskets for it. So I'm still waiting for those parts. I don't exactly know when they come in. I'm also waiting for the Sicky sway bar and the power steering line adapters, so that way I can connect the 240 lines to the 2JZ. So I'm still waiting for those parts. As soon as I get them, you guys will know. I try to keep you guys updated as much as I can. Alright guys, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please tune in next time because the motor will be coming out and the 2J will be going in. Remember, work hard, stay humble. See ya.